Let's go.
Hi everyone, we are here today in Castello, the beautiful Castello di Pisa, and we are in Castelli Natural Organic Food. Those products are there, pesto, passata, we have a beautiful wine, is ready to be served at your table, ready to be exported to your country, wherever you're in the USA, in Europe, in any part of the world. Those products are ready to be served at your table, and at a very important point, it's actually at a very reasonable price. Also, as you can see, we have the pesto, good for antipasto. We have the marmellata of India, a typical fruit of Sicily. We have the passata, all organic, no chemical added. We have as well here the beautiful oil of Sicily, so extra virgin olive oil. Can be, be exported and be also at the table. We have as well here the farina, the flour, good for pizza and pasta, and all this recipes you can find in my recipe book. We have as well, the notola, the nuts, good recipes in my book, Lista Botana. We have the natural product for the skin. Very important, it's not still very young, it's still a skin care product. So all this is ready to be delivered to you. Whether you are in the US, in Europe, any part of the world, you are able to have those products at a very reasonable price. So please feel free to contact me. Arrivederci, ciao!